Today for Mousetrap Monday, we're going to test out the Victor electronic rat trap. It says never touch a dead rat again. I'm sure you can just give them a little flip. Use anywhere indoors, and with 4C batteries, you can kill up to 50 rats. Let's take this out of the package and see how it works. Here's what the Victor electronic rat trap looks like. It's a pretty simple design. It has an entryway in front. On the bottom are multiple metal pads. When the rat enters and steps on those pads, it receives a lethal shock and dies very quickly. In the back here, we can put our bait through this trapdoor. You open that up, put a little peanut butter, close it. The rat can smell it through these holes, but has to enter through the front. Now we have an on-off switch here. That's off, on. It's not doing anything because we haven't added the batteries. To do that, you pull this back and add the 4C batteries. Put the lid back on. This is all ready. When you turn the switch on, you'll see a green light appear and it will buzz. After a few seconds, that buzzing sound turns off. This is activated and ready to go. You go put this in a place with rats, they'll enter, step on those metal pads, and die. I'm curious how well this works. Let's go set this up in the barn with motion cameras and see if we can get some rats with the Victor electronic rat trap. Last night I set up this Victor electronic rat trap in the filming studio, and I was able to get one of the rats that recently moved in. They've been chewing on everything, pooping, and they're starting to make a nest. Now this rat here has been extra hard to catch. It's already escaped several traps. You've seen those in previous videos, but last night we got it. This Victor rat trap is so easy to use, just a few simple steps. Step 1, remove it from the package. Step 2, add the batteries. Step 3, put bait in the back. Step 4, place it where you have a rat, and step 5, turn it on. Now I had to be really selective in the footage that I show on YouTube. If you want to see the full sequence of this trap in action, I'll put it on my website. I'll put a link in the description below. I'm posting between 4 and 5 rodent trap videos a week, so if you want to see how to catch mice, rats, squirrels, chipmunks, moles, voles, and gophers, stay tuned.